Cash Giraffe coins are tied directly to how much tracked gameplay you complete inside partner games, so faster earning always comes down to selecting higher reward games and keeping sessions properly tracked. By the end, you'll know how Cash Giraffe coins are generated, what actually slows down earning, and the exact habits that help you build coins faster without breaking the rules. Start with how coins are created. Cash Giraffe rewards coins when it detects active gameplay through the APS tracking system. Now explain what that means. The app measures time spent in supported games launched directly from Cash Giraffe. Now explain the first way to earn faster. Focus on games that show higher reward rates inside the app, instead of randomly picking low-return games. Now explain why that matters. Different games don't reward equally, so your coin speed depends heavily on what you choose. Now explain the second method. Always launch games directly from Cash Giraffe instead of opening them manually from your home screen. Now, explain the reason. If the session isn't launched through the app, tracking can fail and coins may not register correctly. Now explain consistency. Short, uninterrupted play sessions are more reliable for tracking than switching between apps too often. Now explain a common mistake. Many users lose earning efficiency by closing games early or multitasking while trying to earn coins. Now, explain optimization. Staying in a single track session until it fully completes improves how consistently coins are recorded. Now, explain device factors. Battery saver mode and background restrictions can slow down tracking updates. Now, explain the fix. Turn off battery optimization for Cash Giraffe so it can track gameplay without interruptions. Now explain connection stability. A weak or unstable internet connection can delay coin updates even when gameplay is properly tracked. Now explain what to do. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help stabilize syncing when updates feel slow. Now summarize the core idea. Cash Giraffe coins increase faster when you pick high reward games, keep sessions fully tracked, and avoid interruptions during gameplay. Most delays come from tracking issues, not the games themselves. And consistent, properly launched sessions are what actually improve earning speed. One practical next step. Open Cash Giraffe, pick a high reward game from the list, and complete one full uninterrupted session launched directly from the app. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe breakdowns that show what actually increases earnings instead of random guessing.